The J-1 visa isn't just for exchange programs. It's a direct path to the H-1B and a long-term U.S. career. Many see J-1 as a short-term visa for researchers, interns, and scholars. But there's much more beneath the surface. J-1 visas cover several categories: interns, trainees, research scholars, and professors, each serving skilled professionals. But the catch? Many J-1 holders face the 212E two-year home residency requirement after their program ends. This rule means you must return to your home country for 2 years before reapplying for most U.S. visas. For many, this requirement feels like a roadblock between temporary work and a future in the U.S. But here's the solution. The J-1 waiver can help you bypass this restriction if you qualify. One waiver ground: a no-objection statement from your home government stating they don't oppose you staying longer. Another common basis: exceptional hardship your absence would cause to a U.S. citizen spouse or child. If your waiver is approved, the 2-year home return rule is lifted, giving you more options in the U.S. Now you can apply to change status, including switching to the H-1B, the most popular skilled worker visa. The H-1B allows U.S. employers to sponsor you, opening doors for professional growth and longer stays. Even better, H-1B experience can be a bridge to a green card, enabling permanent residence and stability. Your J-1 journey can be the launchpad for lasting career success and life in the U.S., not just a brief exchange. Ready to turn your exchange visa into a long-term career? Drop J-1 Guide in the comments for our waiver checklist.